Hello everyone, this is Kasim from PHPTRAVELS, and in this video we will be talking about the software license key. So when you install the product, you add your business name, your database settings, your permissions and everything in your URL, and then we have this license key option. So before adding your license key, how to obtain your license key, you just need to navigate to the client portal, which is app.phptravels.com, and on the dashboard you can see this option like your purchased item. You can click to view order, or maybe you can click on the orders and then click on all orders, and then from this purchased item click on view order, and then we can get the license key from here. Just copy the license key and then on the installer add your license key like this and hit the installer button, and you will get everything done. In case if you add any wrong license key, you will get this page on your admin panel after the installation, so you will be not able to log into your admin panel. And you can perform the same thing, just copy the license key and then navigate to your admin panel and then paste the license key and then hit the submit button. Once you hit the submit button, you will get your admin panel is working fine. In case if you still get the problem with your license key, you can just submit the support ticket from here. From tickets, just click on the new ticket and add the problem like your domain name, your cPanel access, and we will check that for you. I hope this video will help you. Thank you and have a good day.